Vlogmas day 14. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna break this to y'all, but I didn't vlog today. I had 3 finals today. Got A's on all of them though. Like, your girl, okay, she did that. So pat on the back, because I did that. This orange looked very vibrant on me today. Okay, well actually it's 1:36 a.m. so technically it's day 15, but gotta get day 14 out there. So since I did not vlog today, because I'm sure you guys didn't want to see me doing my test, and I wasn't gonna show you doing my test because I was too busy doing my time test. And then I came back and I ate my chipotle, and I started doing stuff for my project that's due on Friday. So I really didn't have time to show any fun today because there wasn't any fun today. So I'm going to actually, for today's vlog, I'm going to upload me and my boyfriend cooking buffalo chicken. It was a vlog I recorded a while ago, but I just never posted it. I don't know, I just never did it. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I will see you guys for day 15 tomorrow. Hopefully I can vlog something exciting. Yeah, love you guys. Bye. Oh wait, make sure you like and subscribe for some new stuff coming up, because something is happening in 7 days. 7 days, okay? Keep up, because in 7 days y'all will see what's about to happen. So okay, I gotta go. Okay, so
they can't see our faces. We gotta be back here. Shit.
No, you gotta prop it again. That was awkward. Hello, everyone. Long time no see. It's my fault, I know. But as you can see by the title of the video, today I'm gonna be cooking with Bae. Tell them what we're making, Bae.
So first, we're gonna cook you guys some buffalo wings, along with some asparagus. And then we're gonna top it off with some mac and cheese.
This is the best mac and cheese ever.
Yes.
And it takes like, what, 15 minutes?
About 10.
It's better than Kraft mac and cheese. Sorry. But this is bomb.
So what we're gonna cook first?
So we gonna start with the chicken.
Of course.
Cause this, babe.
What?
You didn't dream it. What was I dreaming then?
You was definitely dreaming. You didn't finish.
Okay, so first you're gonna start off by putting salt on your chicken. Just a little bit.
See,
not a lot, because you're gonna season it.
Everybody don't.
Don't mind him, he's goofy. Goofy. Look. Goofy, what you doing? Exposed. Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Can't believe.
So, you didn't even bring.
You gonna cut that out, man?
No, I'm not.
I ain't even got my sous chef at home.
You're not a sous chef.
Is it sous chef or show chef?
I don't know what the heck it's called.
Okay. So are you gonna do the? So you're gonna use the plastic bag technique, the baggy technique.
Mhm.
I'm not familiar with the baggy technique. It's my first time witnessing it.
Really?
So, yeah.
Okay, so This is flour.
Tell me what you're making. She's making the batter for it first.
The flour. Yeah.
The batter.
Whatever.
Because we're gonna fry the chicken.
Ah, I can't. Okay.
My head is cut off in this.
I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, so you put the flour in the bag.
Of course. How much you putting in there?
I'm gonna show you. I think. Oh.
Well.
Nothing. So I put about this much flour in just like a little sandwich bag, and then you put Lowry's season salt, because this is how you're gonna season your chicken. You're just gonna do it all together.
Can I season it though?
No.
Oh, okay.
You don't know what you're doing.
Okay. I'm gonna fry it.
Okay. And then we're using herb shakers, freeze-dried parsley. He wanted parsley. I usually don't put parsley in my chicken, but
parsley is way better than basil.
If you say so.
It's scientifically proven.
No, it's not.
It is.
By who? You?
No. About food, FDA. Food Drug Association. I mean administration.
Oh, I'm sorry. And then I put garlic powder, and then
Murray's. Is that Murray's? McCormick. McCormick. We like.
I don't know.
What? You don't have a preference? You don't have a preference?
McCormick.
McCormick, yeah.
So I just put everything in the bag, and then you just shake it up. And you can tell by like the discoloration to see if you need more seasoning, which this does, because it's mainly flour.
It's entirely too pale.
And you don't want your chicken to be too salty, because that'll give you cholesterol issues.
High cholesterol.
I don't want you to have high cholesterol or blood pressure and blame it on us.
What? Why'd you look at me?
Because we in this together.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put.
When we gonna put the hot sauce in?
Babe, that's when the chicken done, babe. Okay, so you're gonna put the chicken in the bag. You're gonna saturate it with flour while I start the grease.
I'm gonna do what now? Say it again. What I'm gonna do?
You're gonna put the chicken in the bag, saturate it with flour while I start the grease.
Okay.
You got that?
Should I do that now though? Because you didn't even start the grease yet.
Yeah. So once we get to that step, I'll come back and let you guys know how it goes.
Oh, make sure y'all wash.
What? Oh, we didn't show washing the chicken. That's what you was gonna say?
Yeah, and make sure you wash your hands. A lot of people don't wash their hands, man. You gotta wash your hands. How many can I put in here? About 1 or 2?
You can put however many you fit. Okay. So a trick to see if the oil is hot enough. Come closer. Come up close and personal. The trick to see if it's if the oil is hot enough is you like pinch the flour and put it in there. And if it starts sizzling like that, then it's hot. See the sizzle?
Yes.
Yeah, it's hot. So go ahead and put the chicken in.
So it's good?
Yeah, put the chicken in. Why don't throw it?
I'm not even throwing it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Babe, put the other chicken in. Come on. Come on. No, don't start. Don't start.
What?
Get the chicken going. You got to start playing with the chicken in the pot. Get the rest of the chicken. Come on.
Yo, why you so funny, man? You funny.
Y'all see our little a stand because I don't have a long tripod. I only have a short one.
Because it's long. You long as shit.
What?
I said, because you long. That's why we need it. Because you long.
You longer.
But you still long.
But you're longer. So either way.
You like 5. I mean, you like 6'8".
I'm 6'8"?
You like 6'8".
So what are you?
6'1".
No, you're not. I'm taller than you?
Yeah.
If I was.
Ow! You squeezing my neck. Why you squeezing my neck? Alright. How many times? What we using?
Babe, just put it in there.
I don't like it touching though. They don't gotta touch.
They do have to touch.
For what?
Just put it in there. He's the most difficult person ever. Like, ever in life. Why can't they touch, babe?
Why they touching?
They can touch. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all for a minute. In the beginning of the video, I said we were gonna make asparagus, but come to find out the asparagus is no good, so we can't make the asparagus. Yeah, so we're just gonna have chicken and mac and cheese. Yep.
I guess that's the benefit of using a plastic bag. You can just toss it once you're done. Huh?
Yeah. So, I said I was gonna come on here and wrap y'all up. So, while the chicken is frying.
You gotta show the frying, baby.
Oh, okay. Look at the blood coming out.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't like about fried chicken. The blood be coming out.
Yeah. That's the benefits of having a fry daddy also. Fry daddy.
Hey, what is a fry daddy?
A fry daddy is a deep fryer. It's one of the best deep fryers out of the town.
Probably the only deep fryer in the town. Am I the only one who argues with their boyfriend every time we're cooking or driving? We're arguing.
I'm sure you're not.
Huh?
I said, I'm sure you're not.
I mean, he just like arguing with me.
I don't.
I don't understand why. He just likes arguing with me. No, like oh my gosh, this morning. It took him 10 minutes to crack 3 eggs. 3 eggs.
It was 5 minutes. It's like 5 minutes.
Carly, you can't cook.
I cook better than you.
You can't cook.
I'm just really.
You can't cook.
I'm really just letting you take the lead on it.
You can't cook.
On this one occasion.
One occasion?
Yeah, this one occasion.
Carly, you can't cook, y'all.
I cook better than you.
No, you don't.
I cook way better than you.
No, you don't.
You ain't even been to culinary school.
You haven't been either. You're in the Air Force.
So I've been to culinary school.
No, you haven't. Since when?
2017.
Why are you lying? How you in culinary school?
2017.
In the Air Force. You go to night classes?
I can't tell you that. Confidential.
Culinary school is confidential? And this is why we can't have a subtle conversation.
You mean we can't have a subtle conversation?
While we cooking.
Oh, I really say what?
While we cook. You didn't let me finish. I like you when you're not cooking. Or we're not driving.
You like me all the time.
Anywho. The chicken is frying, and once the chicken gets to like halfway done, babe, that's Come here, babe. Show him what you got. Show him what you got in your hand, Colleen. And what do we use that for?
Frying chicken.
No, we don't.
You gonna use it today?
Oh my God. When you don't have a corkscrew, so you use scissors to push it through the bottle. You proud about that, bitch?
Oh yeah.
I would have just been like, oh well, guess I'm not drinking it. This is, we got wine. Dumpling, white sangria. Does that say dumpling? I said dumpling.
Yeah.
Dumpling, white sangria. It's actually not bad because I've had some really nasty wine. Alright guys, so the chicken is just about done. And I started the mac and cheese, which is literally just put the noodles in and just wait for it to get soft and tender. And then they have like a cheese packet. You just take the cheese and pour it in and it's done. Like, it's literally the easiest thing. But once we have the finished product, I'll let y'all see. And yeah. Okay, so the chicken is done. This is what it looks like. Yum, 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 yum. So now we're going to put the buffalo sauce on the chicken, and we're gonna do the same method like we did with the flour. We're gonna do the baggy method. So I just have 2 pieces of chicken in here, and we used red hot wings, buffalo.
Franks.
Yeah, by Franks. Because my mom calls hot dogs Franks, you know that?
That's what they are.
So
Wait.
and you mix it around. What?
Oh man, okay.
What did you think I was about to do?
I don't know.
So it's not too like saucy.
And you just gonna put it in the same plate or what?
I'm gonna put it on the plate.
On the actual plate. Here, actually.
Ah.
And just do that for all of them.
Oh, that was a lot. But this, like, I don't know, it just makes it like not as saucy.
Right.
Cause I don't really like saucy buffalo chicken.
Yeah, that should
be.
be.
If you just pour
Yeah.
the buffalo sauce right on the chicken, it's gonna be saucy.
I mean, that makes sense.
I know.
You seem like you did this a couple times before.
Actually, I did this with salt and vinegar chicken. You remember that?
Salt and vinegar?
Salt and vinegar chicken.
Nah, I never had that with.
It's the same thing. You just.
I mean, I had lemon pepper chicken.
I like lemon pepper chicken, but I can't eat a lot of it. Like, you can only eat like, oh my gosh, I can only eat like 1 piece of it.
Only 1 piece of it?
It's like really.
It's heavy, yeah. It's real heavy on the pepper.
I'm gonna go check on my mac and cheese.
Okay.
Okay, so the mac and cheese is done, and the chicken is.
That's the way it's supposed to be looking. I don't know why those look like that, but it's supposed to be looking like that, babe.
Alright.
You were saying that.
Well, that's pretty much it. This was like a little vlog cook with us type thing. I don't know why I'm holding the camera like I'm 5.
Like you 5?
Yeah, like, you got games like you're 5?
Oh,
you know?
Right.
Okay.
You hit that shit, though. You just toss it? Actually, I'm gonna drizzle the excess hot sauce on the top of the remaining chicken.
What you talking about? Just pull the rest of the. Now it was saucy. That's what I was trying to prevent, and he just made it saucy.
I mean, do it whichever way you want to do it, but.
Okay, well, the vlog's over, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with another video soon. Bye! Say bye. What? Alright.